AI is the future, but what if AI could tell your future? I built a Flutter app to find out. So hello, I am Shivam. Now let's move and let's see what the AI going to tell about our future. So now here you can see that this is how our app look alike, and it's going to simply predict our future. So I wrote like future AI, discover your future in second, and we just need to pass our name, age, goal, like what we want to become, and the habit. Then the AI will predict our future, like what we will be in next coming years, right? So I'm going to just write my name like Shivam Gupta, right? And I'm going to pass the age 25. And if I'm going to pass my goal like YouTuber, and then I'm going to just pass the habit like I love to make videos. Okay, now let's see what prediction we get from an AI. So I'm going to just click to this predict my future. So it's loading and we need to wait until the AI predict our future. So you can see that the prediction has been given by an AI, and it has written like 5 years from now Shivam Gupta will be 30 years old, and his journey as a YouTuber will be seen significant ups and downs. Okay, so in my coming future there will be ups and downs in YouTube channel. Okay, over the years his dedication to making the videos will have led him to a niche that resonates with his audience, allowing him to cultivate a loyal following. Okay, I have some loyal following. Initially Shivam may have struggled with growth and engagement, so there will be a lots of struggle in the future. Okay, that the AI predicts, facing the challenges the many content creator encounter. However, this passion for storytelling, creating a relatable content will keep him motivated. Okay, by fifth year Shivam will be developed a unique style that sets him apart from others in the crowded YouTube space. Wow, so that's a very positive prediction I got from a chat GPT. Let's see if I'm going to just change the YouTuber to developer, and I'm going to just pass my quality that I love to code, and maybe Flutter developer, right? Now let's send this. Okay, so the AI is giving the future after the 5 years, like what you will be after 5 years. So Shivam Gupta, now 30, finds himself a pivotal moment in his career as a developer, having dedicated himself to mastering of Flutter and owning his coding skill. He has transformed his passion. Shivam starts out working for a tech company which he revenates user. Okay, so I can see that this is the prediction that has been given by a AI. There are a lot many things has been written over here. Okay, so this is the thing, and you can see that the AI can predict your future, and this is what that I try to meet. And this is just an app where I try to test that whether the AI can predict our future. You know that our future is an AI, but whether the AI can predict our future, that's the main question I have in my mind. So that's why I've developed this app. So if you want to develop this app as well, now let me show you that what all codes I've written over here, right? So here you can see that I have simply passed a stateful widget and a page name like home screen, and we have just passed a 4 controller: name, age, goal, and a habit controller. As I've told you that there are the 4 text field, so we need to get the text from the respective text field. So we need a text editing controller, right? Now I need to get a result, and we need to show the result once we get from the AI. So I've just wrote a string result, animated text, and the loading. So once I click to this, you see a circular progress indicator. Now that has been shown by is loading, right? Now here you can see that I've just wrote a generate prediction function where I've called a open AI API or a chat GPT, right? Now we have just need to pass a string prompt. As I've told you that a prompt is something to get a perfect prediction. We need to pass the username, his age, goal, and his habit, right? We need to pass a set state, and in the set state, once the user press to this button, we need to show the circular progress indicator. So I just made a loading to true, and we got a result and animated text. We pass a string response called ChatGPT. So called ChatGPT is another function that I've wrote over here, and these are all the things I've taught you in last 2 videos, like how you can just write a complete API call on ChatGPT. If you haven't followed the last two videos of an AI, you can just follow that, because I've also teach you how you can use a Claude API as well, right? Now here I've just passed this. This is the complete function that I've written to just call a ChatGPT API, right? Now here I just pass a build prompt that predict the future of this person after 5 years. I've just passed the prediction that I need the prediction of this person after 5 years. If you want up to 8 years, you can just change it to up to 8 years, or 1 year up to 2 years. It's up to your choice, right? I've just passed a name, age, goal, and a habit. The rules is very simple. Keep it realistic. Don't pass something like that that doesn't sound very realistic, otherwise it doesn't make any sense. Make it slightly emotional so that it sounds good. No special character, as you know that the special character has been given by an AI, so I just pass like no special character. Simple relatable text, right? So that I can read the text easily. And then I need to pass a build field, and you can see that this is how we have just shown the different text field. Then these are all the simple UI that I've written. If you want to write a code, you can just pause the video and can write a code. These are all the things I've taught you already on the channel, so I'm not going in much brief. Already the container, text widget and all I've already taught you. So these are all the things that we have done to create a future Baba. By future Baba, I mean future AI Baba. You can say future AI Baba that we have created, that are going to simply predict our future. Okay. So if you like that video, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.